perfect thing to start the school year off with.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Medina around 10:20 p.m. Excelsior around 10:25 p.m. YZ around 10:30